So pretty much what you've got is you got 45-degree angles holding the teeth so it acts as a bearing, but as well it can be a gear, and I'll show you a little bit of how that works. So this just comes straight off the 3D printer like this, with all the gears already in it. They've got a little bit of slop to them, but you can tune it up so then it doesn't have as much slop. Also, if you put another 45-degree in there, then it won't have any slop at all. But yeah, as you can see, like it rotates pretty good just on its own. But here's some of the cool things that you can do with it. So it's when I push, it doesn't come through, and then when I pull, so here's I mean, you can see it's not coming through there. You gotta watch your hands though. So again, as it push, hold, and then so now you can tilt side to side. That's forward tilt, backward tilt, sideways tilt, other way. So I mean, you get a full spectrum of tilt with just bearing like this. I mean, it's just, in my opinion, it's a great gear. Because the faster you spin it, the less it's going to give. So not too sure. I was just planning on building some linear motion with this. How you do that is you go off the top of the center sun gear and then one across the bottom. So then as it moves, as the gear would move, so then it would actuate linear motion. So you'd actually get something that, oh, if I can keep up with it. Alright, here. There you go. So, yeah, something to play around with. Full on. Here's if you keep it spinning. Yep, that's just a little something from 3D printing gears. But anyways, yeah, I just took these straight off my printer, popped them apart, stuck them in my drill like this, give them a little spin, and now they work pretty good.